A perfect blend of timeless style and proven mechanicals, this handsome 1970 C10 is a first-rate exercise in classic old-school utility and modern restomod swagger. When it comes to collector cars, few vehicles have aged better than late 60s and early 70s Chevrolets, and that goes double for something as undeniably immutable as a storied action line pickup. The C10 is a solid farm soldier that's been subjected to a detailed ground-up restoration. Paint is delightfully simple, and subtle detailing highlights a roster of choice upgrades. Inside, power-operated buckets frame a tall console that's centered on a refashioned G8 GXP shifter. A leather-wrapped dash hangs clean Dakota digital gauges next to modern Kenwood audio and modern climate control, and the driver spins a billet wood-rim steering wheel on a modern tilting column. Donated by Pontiac Story G8 GXP, this restomod's 415 horsepower LS3 is excitingly athletic and appropriately rambunctious, and a smooth 6L86 speed twists torque to a dressed and vented 12-bolt that's finished with a quality Eaton posi traction. If you're looking for a cool classic that mixes a great restoration with unmatched style and instant fun, check out this sweet Chevy. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.